यहाँ पे पेट्रोल सस्ता है कि इंडिया में? ये सस्ते में कितना है? दिस यू कैन सी BP, दिस इज भूटान प्राइवेट वेटिंग. Bhutan is so systematic. It's so noisy, I can't say. Namaste everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, right now I'm in Phuntsling and oh my god, Bhutan is so organized. It's not like India. This is Phuntsling bus stand, government buses you will find over there. You see people are waiting. Bhutan is so systematic. And here the number plate, that's totally different from India. In India we have got number plate with like state name, like for Sikkim SK, then West Bengal WB. Here it's not like that, it's totally different. Here they have got BG, Bhutan government, BP, Bhutan private, that is like for personal vehicle. And I'll show you that. Look at this. It's a stadium kind of thing, not stadium. See all the vehicles, they are waiting over there in queue. And here, like Nepal, honking is not allowed. I love this thing about Bhutan. So you can't honk here. I'm walking on this. So this is Phuntsling town. If you want, you can go down from here. See, it's really amazing to be here. And this you can see BP, this is Bhutan private. And if you want to go Thimphu, you can go in this bus. It takes like 5 hours and you have to book in advance. So BP is Bhutan private, BT is Bhutan taxi, BG is Bhutan government. I'm gonna show you that also. You can see this city buses in front. This is like, I'll show BT also. And this can you see this BT? This is Bhutan taxi. And here it's not like India, I keep telling you this again and again. Here if you're walking on zebra crossing, people, they are gonna wait for you. It's not like India, they don't care about zebra crossing and all. And this is BG, Bhutan government. So all the city buses are for Bhutan government. This is a city bus stand. You'll find bus over here. And this smart city recharge shops you can see here. Shops in Titan, like India. So here also BP, BT, BP. So if you want to hitchhike, you can hitchhike in BP, Bhutan private. It's like their personal vehicle. Shops you can see. Bhutan is so peaceful, like Arunachal Pradesh of India. Just loving this. Mini city buses over there. So this is the fuel station. So guys, now I have come to the fuel station and this is of Indian Oil. And here you can see fuel is 60 rupees liter. And in India it's 107 I guess. यहाँ पे पेट्रोल सस्ता है कि इंडिया में? ये सस्ते में कितना है?
60 रुपये।
और इंडिया में?
105।
एक्सपेंसिव है ना? So here they all have got Indian this fuel. Indian Oil, then Bharat Petroleum and all. HP also they have got. It's very cheaper over here compared to India. So now I have come to see one Gompa here, Richending Kharipandi Gompa Goenpa. This is like entry fees 30 rupees, and this is inside the thing. Gompa restroom. So let's see. So guys, this is the Gompa. I think it's work in progress. See this. See this. To go from this side. Hello. So this is the Gompa. It's closed. Here, see pagodas you can see here. Pagoda is looking really beautiful. And this is not so far from Phuntsholing. It's on the Thimphu highway. You can see pagoda. This is the viewpoint. India, you can see there. See. That is Jaigaon of India. See. I showed you from back side. This is from front side. From front. So Gompa was closed. I got to see these pagodas and really nice. And here also you can see that is Bhutan. Top down part is India. See, that is India. Top Bhutan, that is like Thimphu road. This is the Gompa. Gompa is there on top. It's like the Gompa is in work in progress, and right now I can see myself vlogging in front of the mirror. This window they have got, that window I can see myself. So this is how this looks. All the workers, like, they are from India. You know, Bhutan is really the country of happiness, and people are incredible. Wherever I go, I keep meeting amazing humans on my way. And this is also like, you know, for monk, I guess. This on the ticket it's written Tashi the Lake, but they don't say Tashi the Lake, they say Kuzu Zangpola For how are you, for hello they say kuzu, I guess. Nice Bhutan restroom. So cute, this restroom, Bhutan. And guys, one more thing I remembered. Instead of saying stupas, I said pagoda. So those were stupas, and this is sacred site, I guess. See the Buddhist prayer flag. See this. This is inside the monastery. Nothing to see from here. You can see only India. Look at this. I'm in love with Bhutan. See how incredible this is looking. So amazing. So guys, this highway is Phuentsholing to Thimphu highway, and this highway also goes to Paro. Paro is ahead of Thimphu, and Thimphu is 150 kilometers from here. I'm gonna show you the signboard of that. And Bhutan is also very, very safe. You can see this. Here. Thimphu 150 kilometers, Rinchending 3 kilometers. This I wanted to show you. I'm really enjoying my time here in Bhutan. So this is Phuentsholing town, and here you see there is Bhutan duty free shop, you can see here. So guys, you can see Phuentsholing monastery now, and this is very close to the Phuentsholing gate, Jaigaon Phuentsholing gate, and I'm gonna show you this. I'm not gonna go inside, I'll just show you from outside. The entire town is Phuentsholing. This you can see. You can see Dharma wheel also in front. So this is the monastery in Phuentsholing. So I wanted to show you. Now I'm leaving Bhutan. I have to go to the exit counter, and then I have to do the immigration. I will not record those things. I'll give you all the information once I'm done with immigration. And here, like till in Phuentsholing, 10 kilometers you will get your Indian network. Jio network works here. Kids are enjoying. So, and here, like zebra crossing is the main thing. You have to cross, you have to go through zebra crossing. And people stop here if they see you walking. They stop at the zebra crossing. This Phuentsholing. See this. See, so peaceful. No noise, no honking. Here people follow the rules. This. Guys, I'm back in India now, and it's so crowded here. You can hear the noise, and there's the Bhutan main gate, Phuentsholing. So I was that side. Now I'm in India, and now it has become so chaotic. You see, honking this and that. Bhutan side is so peaceful. Bhutan is so peaceful and so incredible. This is the main gate. You have to, from bike you can go through this, and it's so noisy. I can't say. I'm not able to talk. So that's the gate, from where you can go inside. And if you are going by like walking, then you have to go through that. You can see that temple. Behind that there is a way. You can go to immigration center. Entry and exit is on that side. So guys, as you know, I'm in India right now and I'm hitchhiking. Right now I'm hitchhiking. I'm going to Siliguri from here and I'm hitchhiking in Safe Express truck. And there is, his name is Krishna. आपका क्या नाम है?
अरुण
सुनाई नहीं दिया. Arun. Arun. His name is Arun. And just soon, आपको बहुत बहुत thank you लेके चलने के लिए. I keep meeting amazing humans on my way. So this is the Siliguri Guwahati highway. I'll show you the outside also. I'll give you more information about Bhutan once I reach Siliguri. So finally I'm in Siliguri now, and I got sick after coming here because of change of water, weather and all, and also I took shower with cold water. And now Bhutan, I explored the Chukha part of Bhutan, Chukha region, and it was really nice to explore that and see the first impression of Bhutan. And people, they were really amazing. Bhutan is half an hour, 30 minutes ahead of India, and the value of their currency is same as Indian currency. 1 Indian rupee equals to same in Bhutanese currency. So yeah, this I wanted to share with you. I just went there for 24 hours and it was really great to see, interact with people and explore the places. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. With that, I'll end my today's vlog over here and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.